Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part two of this step blend. This will be a real short video. I left out a pretty important part. I think this person is going to cut these out. So when you blend something together, it's a blend group. So you need to select it all and go up to Object and break blend apart. But they're still not all apart. You need to select it all and then go up to Object and ungroup. Then each one of these squares is an individual line. And if you notice, the person, she's got grid marks, so when you're moving around, she's got grid marks locked or something. I'm using her Corel Draw version. And then, of course, if you were going to cut these out, you would need to select them all and change them to a hairline and make them red just so you identify a hairline. And then you could cut out these individual steps is what we're going to call them, and I don't really know what she's going to do with it, but I hope that helped them, and thank you for watching.